Okay guys, I'm here today with John D. Anderson, Quality Care Pro at the Atlas, Hampton, Georgia plant, and with Amari Byfield with New Exteriors, and we're talking Atlas today. Johnny, you want to start us out here with Amari?
Yeah, Amari, what Atlas products do you sell the most of?
So we're actually selling this Pinnacle Pristine with Scotch Guard, the HP42. You know, we really like it. It gives us a really bold look. Our customers like it. You know, our subs also like it because it goes down easy and it gives a, you know, it's really jumps out at you there. So yeah, with Pinnacle Pristine with Scotch Guard, the HP42, we've been selling a whole bunch of that stuff lately.
And what do your installers have to say about the HP42?
Well, again, you know, because we get a bigger sheet there, it goes down a lot quicker, so we save time and money with our stuff, getting this stuff out. But you also have this double dish here, so that, you know, we're not nailing too high, we're not nailing too low. It's really easy to see it, so you get that 1.5-inch sweet spot. But yeah, we really do like it, and everybody else likes it, and we like that our customers like it. So.
And we like that you like it, that your customers like it. So, you know, it's been around for 1 year now. We just like to say happy birthday, HP42.
Right.
It's a celebration.